Today's going to be a pretty interesting day. 15 years ago, I built all three of these docks right here, and the logs are starting to rot off and they're starting to settle. So we ordered all new logs, and we're going to get a big telehandler in here today and start ripping these things out. And then we got to go back in with the new, and hopefully it goes as planned, because this could be pretty interesting what we got to do here. But what a beautiful, beautiful spot. All the fall colors. Beautiful little pond. We're going to start with taking off the small angle, and we could take the last section off because it's not buried in the ground. And then hopefully we can get a strap around the dock and lift it out without jacking it up. I think the telehandler's here. Yep, there it comes. Doug will get the telehandler unloaded, and we will see what we can do. What's it attached with? So it looks like we're going to take this one off first, since it's the closest to the telehandler. See how well that works. But he's got a little sink plumbed in, so Dave's got to undo the sink, and then we'll move that out of the way. All right, crank her up. Let's see what she does. I don't know if he's going to get enough leverage on that thing. Oh, yeah, there we go. Those are rotten bad. Okay, hold on. That one's hanging us up. Oh, well, there it goes. We got a frost free right here, Kate. Holy cow. Well, there's number one. You want to go take that ladder off so we can set that down? Well, that theory seemed to work, but now we got to contend with all these. I don't know if they're concreted in or if they're just tamped in, but if they're concreted in, we're going to earn every penny of this job. I'm thinking they're concreted in. I hope not. We got the ladder off. Now Doug can set that puppy down. Now for number 2, and then on to number 3. Crazy, crazy. I'm just hoping there's no concrete in those holes. If there is, it's going to be nasty. Here goes number 2 right here. Let's see how well this one does. I don't know. That one's got some tension. Oh, there she comes. We just don't want to break something. Wait, wait, wait. It's like there's a lot of stress in there. There's a ton of stress on there, and I'm afraid that one's gonna come and it's gonna bust the platform. Doug thinks we need to loosen each one of those posts individually and try to get them that way, because it was tweaking that dock so much, and I'm afraid that if these popped, the other one, it would just bust our platform all to crap, so we don't want to do that. All right, so we got the 2 closest to the pond broke loose. Now we got to break the other 2 loose, and Doug's going to reposition here, see what we can do. I think you can pick it and just swing it around. Doug's concerned it's going to topple into the water when we break that one loose, but I don't think it will. There we go. Yep, there she comes. Okay, okay. Now let's put it back on the middle strap. All right, here goes nothing. We got the 4 broke loose. Now we're gonna try to lift this up. there she goes. There she goes. It's a little unstable. Kate's hooking it back up to the main strap, and then we'll lift it up. We're gonna have some repairs to do, it looks like. Go. One and 2 is done. Now number 3. This is going to be interesting. He's going to try and loosen them one at a time, and then we'll pick the whole thing. So the $1 million question is do we want to put the logs back on the docks and try to stab them back in the holes, the ones they came out of, or do we put the logs in and kind of leave them loose and then pull them into the dock? I don't know. I think we want to put the rail and dock and everything back together, and then try to just pick them right back in the same hole they came out of. That's what I'm thinking. But here we go. We're going to loosen this one up now. The 4th one, final and 4th one right here. Oh yeah, she's out of there. Now we'll just pick that thing right in the middle, and that thing will just suck that sucker right out. So the reach is leaking oil all over this these pavers. We're going to want to either bring some oil slick stuff, some kitty litter, and pressure wash it, or do something. I'm not sure what we're going to do there, but it's leaking like a sieve. Looks like 90 weight or gear oil. And I'm sure the owner's not going to be too happy about that. But here we go. We're picked in the middle. Should come right out of there. Oh yeah, there she goes. I'm hoping there's no concrete in those holes. Doesn't look like it. Looks like it's just regular old holes. But I'm glad there's no concrete. Okay, so we decided to put these docks back out on the right-of-way so that we don't rip up this pretty lawn with the skid steer. So Cade's gonna get them all strapped down. Okay, so Cade and I have got all the measurements we need and all the information to take back to the shop to get these big puppies notched. We're going to reattach everything back to the dock and then try to set them in the existing hull. I think that's going to be our best bet trying to do this. So we're going to do this video in a two-part series. We're going to do the demo in one and the install in the other. We hope you enjoyed this episode. We will catch you on the next one.